Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about AWS Shield. So AWS Shield is synonymous to DDoS attacks. Whenever you see DDoS attacks on the exam, think about AWS Shield. There are some things you can do about DDoS attacks on using AWS WAF or Web Application Firewall, but mostly exam questions about DDoS or distributed denial of service attacks are related to AWS Shields. So let's understand what is a DDoS attack. So let's say you have some malicious person who's trying to attack your account. What they can do is they can infect lots of computers out there, maybe hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of computers around there with malicious software. And their goal isn't to extract anything from these computers. Their goal is to use these computers all at the same time to attack your AWS account, meaning that they will send too many requests, many more requests to your account than you can handle. And what that'll lead to is your account and services will be overloaded and you won't be able to serve regular customers who want to access your servers. So that's one option. It's one drawback. Another one is that maybe you will be able to service customers, but it'll be delayed. They'll experience a lot of lag and they'll be unhappy. And third problem with this is that you will incur lots of costs on your AWS account while not getting any benefit from that cost, because this is just malicious requests sent. They're just requests being sent to your account. They're not actually buying anything, not useful requests to customers. So in order to combat this, AWS has AWS Shield. There's two options: AWS Shield Standard, which is free and it is automatically enabled for all accounts. So remember this for the exam. AWS Shield Standard is automatically by default enabled for all accounts and protects from some level of DDoS attacks, such as UDP floods, reflection attacks, and others. And then there is Shield Advanced. So this one is more sophisticated. It protects from more sophisticated attacks, but it is pricey. At the time of recording, it's about $3,000 per month, and you have to commit to 12 months. So it is quite expensive, but it does give you additional protection and also gives you access to 24/7 support with the AWS DDoS Response Team. They have a special team for this. It's called the DRT, DDoS Response Team. They will basically help guide you if you're experiencing a high severity attack. And also this plan, the advanced plan, protects you if you incur excess costs during a DDoS attack, while AWS won't charge you for those excess costs that are a result of a DDoS attack. Also important to remember for the exam. And if we refer to the OSI model with our 7 different layers, then something else to keep in mind is a bit more technical, but this is important also to know. Shield Standard operates on layers 3 and 4 only, whereas Shield Advanced, on one hand, it includes Shield Standard, so it still gives you protection on layers 3 and 4, but Shield Advanced also operates on layer 7. So there you go. That's how AWS Shield works. So whenever you see on the exam DDoS attacks, think of AWS Shield. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.